Welcome to my channel. You'll learn to automate WhatsApp chats with just 2 lines of code. First, you'll need to download PyWattKit. Open your web browser. Search PyWattKit download. Click on this first website. Click Download Files. Choose any option. After downloading, install the package. Using pip install PyWattKit in your PyCharm terminal. After its successful installation, we will now begin the code.
For the WhatsApp automation, you import PyWattKit. So you import PyWattKit. Then the next line code, you call on the package PyWattKit. And as you can see in the suggestion, you tell it to send a message, then you add phone number, message, and the message you actually want to send, and the time that the message should be sent. So to save time, I'll just let the automatic suggestion just fill in the gap. Then the first thing to add there was phone number. So you add the phone number. And next thing was the message. Let's say you want to send the person hello to begin a conversation. And the next thing you want to send is the time of the message. I'll just do it according to my time so that it won't take much of the time, and you will see how well it works. So 9, let's say 9, and simple as this. Then you run the code. As you can see, it says in 33 seconds WhatsApp will be open, and after 15 seconds message will be delivered. So all we have to do is wait for 33 seconds. This automation is actually good if you have a message you're scheduled to send at a particular time, and you are not sure if you will be maybe available during that time or online during that time. So you can just automate this scheduled message to send that time for you. So even though you are not with your device, the message can still be sent. As you can see, at 3 seconds, WhatsApp is being opened, and according to the automation, 15 seconds later, we should expect this message to be delivered. You can see it's already written down hello. It's just waiting for the time, and it's delivered. So this is a very good automation skill that I think every beginner Python programmers should know. It helps in our everyday life.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And comment any automation you will like to see me do next.